Whether it's your passion or your profession, we recognize it's your purpose. Our purpose is equipping you to do yours better. For peak performance in the line of duty, Streamlight's weapon-mounted lighting systems have no equal. No other name delivers more confidence on the range or peace of mind in the field. Each shines brighter and lasts longer while staying securely mounted to your weapon when it matters most. For nearly 50 years, we've stood shoulder to shoulder with recreational shooters and law enforcement professionals, so we can produce lighting solutions that are simply second to none. When you need to engage at a distance, Streamlight has you covered with a wide range of long gun rail mount lights. The TLR1 HL long gun kit with remote, ProTac rail mount HLX and HLX with laser offer you multiple distance, brightness, and aiming options no matter what your situation demands. For your handgun, the small but mighty TLR7 takes this performance to the next level. It features 500 lumens, a low-profile design, and a safe-off feature to prevent accidental activation. Whether it's night or day, the TLR8G delivers. It produces an ultra-bright beam that's ideal for low-light situations, while its green laser ensures a clean shot even during the brightest day. The TLR VIR2 features a white LED and a combo infrared illuminator IR laser. With its seamless design, you can easily switch from white light to infrared, all while keeping your eyes on the target or the threat. When the situation is at its darkest, you now have options to use the dark to your advantage without being seen. If danger escalates and you need to elevate your command of the situation, the TL Racker is ready. Producing high-intensity white light, the TL Racker is the ultimate all-in-one shotgun four-end light. It features a super tough ergonomic design so you confidently protect the innocent or defend your home and loved ones. For staying on target, for neutralizing the threat, our purpose is always the same: improving your performance. Because since 1973, one name has stood for the ultimate in lighting systems: Streamlight.